So this is Sanctuario de Carmona of Carmona, Cavite. So grabe. So overcrowded. This is the gate. Okay. Okay, so ito yung puntod ng pamilya. Ito yung pamilya ko. Okay, yung panganay. Okay, si Lovely. Ano tayo Yamson. So ito yung Sanctuario de Carmona. Say overcrowded. Then we have lots of family here. Susan Anotais, the mother of my 5 kids, that which passed away on November 4, 2013.